Ramen noodles are essential to make great ramen or yakisoba dishes. Their ingredients must be finely measured and they must be kneaded enough to obtain a fine and good texture, slightly firm and chewy. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. In a mixing bowl, put 400 grams of wheat flour and 5 grams of salt. Combine. Weigh 150 grams of water. Add 3 grams of baking soda. Mix. Add it to the flour. Combine. Knead for 5 minutes. The dough is firm and dry. This is normal. You can find it difficult to knead, but don't add more water. Some Japanese people don't hesitate to knead it with their feet. After 5 minutes, put the dough in a bag. Let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, knead again for 10 minutes. The more you knead, the better the texture of the noodles will be. Don't worry if the dough is still dry. Put it back in the bag again. And leave for another 1 hour. Meanwhile, wrap some tapioca or cornstarch in a square of cloth. We are going to use it to dab the noodles. It will prevent them from sticking together. The dough rested for 1 hour. Knead it briefly to form a block. It's still a bit dry. Cut it into 4 pieces. Take a piece, flatten it a bit. Pass it through the roller set to the largest thickness. Fold the sheet in half. Repeat this operation at least 5 times. The sheet will become smooth. Do the same with the other pieces of dough. Set the rollers to the second thickness. Pass through each sheet once. Set the rolling mill to the third thickness and pass through each sheet once. This final thickness is about 1.5 millimeters. Dab a sheet of dough on both sides. Put it through the noodle cutting rollers. Dab the noodles again. To get wavy noodles, squeeze and untangle them 4 times. Wrap it with the other sheet of dough. Some recipes use straight noodles. Before cooking, ideally, leave them in the fridge overnight, under a paper towel and in a bag or in a box. These noodles cook very quickly. The baking soda, by its action on the texture of the dough, speeds up the cooking time. For noodles that will go in the ramen soup, cook them 1 minute and 30 seconds in boiling water. And for noodles that will go in a stir-fry dish, like a yakisoba, cook them for 1 minute in boiling water. Homemade fresh ramen noodles are incomparable. The small addition of baking soda will also give them a very pleasant texture. It will make them firmer. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.